It is my destiny to serve Ma Ganga, said PM Modi when he was elected in May 2014 to Parliament from Varanasi, situated on the banks of Ganga in Uttar Pradesh. The Ganga is India's holiest river, worshipped as a goddess. It accounts for 47% of India's irrigated land and feeds 500 million citizens. Despite its importance, it is one of the most polluted rivers in the world. Namami Gange program is an integrated conservation mission approved as flagship program by the Union government in June 2014 with a budget outlay of rupees 20,000 crores to accomplish the twin objectives of effective abatement of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. The project covers 8 states and seeks to fully connect all the 1632 Gram Panchayats along the Ganga to a sanitation system by 2022. The implementation of the program has been divided into entry-level activities. For immediate visible impact, medium-term activities which are to be implemented within 5 years of time frame, and long-term activities to be implemented within 10 years. Apart from these activities, biodiversity conservation, afforestation and water quality monitoring are also being taken up under the program. Golden Mahaseer, dolphins, gharials, turtles, otters, etc. have been initiated. Similarly, under Namami Gange, 30,000 hectares of land will be afforested for increased recharge of the aquifers, reduced erosion, and improved health of river ecosystem.
Under the long term, providing adequate flow to the river is envisioned through determination of e-flow, increased water use efficiency, and improved efficiency of surface irrigation. It is worth mentioning that cleaning river Ganga is extremely complex due to its socio-economic and cultural importance. Never in the world such a complex program has been implemented and will require participation from across all the sectors and each and every individual of this country. There are various ways in which each one of us can contribute for the cause of cleaning the river Ganga. For example, contribution of funds. Restoring the quality of a river with the length and population as large as that of Ganga requires huge investments. Clean Ganga Fund has been established that provides a platform to all of us for contributing funds to clean the river Ganga. Next, reduce, reuse and recovery. Majority of us do not realize that water and filth of our homes can end up in the rivers if not disposed properly. Sewerage infrastructure is already being constructed by the government, but the citizens can reduce the usage of water and generation of waste. Reusing and recovery of used water and organic waste and plastics can be greatly beneficial for the program. Let us all join hands to save our national river Ganga, which is a symbol of our civilization and is an epitome of our culture and heritage.